Mike Coscarelli and Gene Getman are social villains.
So Snapchat last week, what happened was they have these filters, as Gene said, and they created a filter that looks a lot like Asian face. Yellow tinted skin.
Is it literally called yellow face?
I don't know what it's called. You have the article in front of you there.
Well,
I don't
here
know
it
how
says
you
yellow
stole it
face.
away from me, but
Well, I needed
Yeah, but
it
I think
to
that's
read it.
them just calling it yellow face, which is also racist.
Yeah,
they're
which is
going,
also racist.
this is so racist, yellow face.
Yeah.
And Snapchat's like, we never called it yellow face,
Yeah.
you fucking morons.
So, Gene, do me a favor. Read a couple of those tweets from people there.
I know,
People were
they're-
pretty pissed off.
Okay.
The Asians were mad that there was an Asian face.
Hey,
The
Snapchat.
gooks were pissed.
What's with continually creating hashtag racist filters targeting Asians? Hashtag Snapchat, hashtag racism, hashtag WTF, bro.
Read another one.
This is from Brian. Dear Snapchat, very formal. Thanks for the overly racist new filter. When can we expect blackface?
Now, before we even bring
Well,
in
if you're black, you're there.
Yeah, good point. On 420, they also had a Bob Marley face. That was actually created in conjunction with the Bob Marley estate. So they approved it and okayed it and said, yeah, this is cool. And it's a picture of Bob Marley's face. You can put it on Brendan Sagalow's dumb head,
yeah.
or you can put it on Meanie's face.
Diary Man.
And it is a black guy. And people were mad about that during 420.
Well, nobody can be a black guy anymore.
Yeah, nobody can be a black guy. But we have a very special guest with us on the phone to discuss whether or not this is racist. He is our ambassador to all Asians. To all of them.
This is the ambassador to all
This is the
Asians.
ambassador to all Asians.
Kim Jong-il, everybody.
Yeah, and
Not quite.
we welcome.
More important.
I have a little stager to welcome to our show, Dr. Wu Ping Koff. Doctor, how are you this afternoon, sir? Thank you for joining us.
It's a good, it's a Sunday afternoon, very humid, a big chance of precipitation. If you live close to the mainland, be very careful. Make sure to lock the doors. Make sure all valuables inside of your domicile. Also, have to ensure safety of our people, everybody both in the North Korea and the South Korea, and all of Japan and China and Hong Kong. Make sure everybody is safe and inside a domicile
So,
because of precipitation. This is what you call a lane.
Dr. Wu Ping Koff, do you have your rain gear ready to go for the precipitation?
Oh, a lot of lane gear. Have my garages. Keep it dry. And many other things. Now, talk about the Snapchat.
Yes.
If they have a filter that make a face yellow. Yellow face. And, many people think it's a racist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think it's racist?
Oh, no.
No?
No. I tell you what, really racist in reality, not in a false reality, but in a real reality. If I'm walking and I reach my wife that I purchased on a Craigslist, and people come behind me and go, "Oh, hi, doctor. Wu Koff, I have a question for you." And I say, "Oh, so what a question?" And they say, "What it feel like to be a Srant or a Gook or a Ching Chong Chinaman?" That's more racist than just somebody on the internet take a picture and put it on the face. That bring a world together. Internet very friendly. Some people that I know that they get angry, very angry at Kurt Metzger.
Yeah.
They get angry at him. They say, you cannot, why you don't verify Lapis? And they say that they think that he supports Lapis. He don't support Lapis. Everybody know that. No, you can't support Lapis. The only way you support Lapis is if you hold down the arms. And they're both misdemeanor and a felony. So there's a big climb.
Doctor, I didn't know that you were also.
country.
I didn't know you were also a legal expert.
Oh, Rieger, yeah, a very Rieger. I'm a doctor, a very Rieger.
A regular doctor.
Doctor, what do you what's your like? What do you are the most doctor of?
Oh,
What do you practice?
What's your specialty?
Yeah.
Cardiology. That mean the heart. That's in the middle of the chest for most people. Also do podiatry. That's the foot. And also sometimes I write prescriptions for people need anxiety medication so that they can fix their glaucoma and marijuana. Also big business over here in China, Hong Kong, Japan, North Korea, and South Korea.
So let's go back to Snapchat for 1 second.
Oh, Snapchat.
Because
Love it. It's so good. I have it on my
you use it.
Samsung Galaxy.
So you
Fun. Have a good deal with a T-Mobile. Unlimited 4G data. Faster download speeds.
So you said you're an avid user on Snapchat, correct?
Oh, avid user. Yeah.
Avid user. Okay, so
User.
we talked about the Bob Marley filter being blackface almost, and a lot of people were upset about that, as they are upset about this yellow face.
Buffalo Soldier.
Would you?
Lead rock.
Would you?
Buffalo Soldier. In the arms of America.
Would you?
I would have cured that, you know. I could cure. Yeah, not the cancer. He had the gout in the foot. If you had a good doctor of podiatry, he would have cured that.
Yeah.
Smoke a lot of marijuana, which I prescribe.
So, would you have used the Bob Marley? Did you use the Bob Marley face filter when it was out?
Oh, yeah, because it's not the latest if you're Asian and you make fun of niggles. Niggles is okay. It's a cute word.
Mr. Wu Ping, are you sure you can say that word?
Why that niggle burn down a gas station in Milwaukee?
In Milwaukee.
Oh, look at the kid, the niggle. All the niggle go to the protest together. Look at they say, Black Lives Matter. Niggles very good. Have to make fun of niggles sometimes because they're harder than us. They have a penis to make my penis disappear. And they have such a big penis, the niggles.
That's true. That's what I've been told.
Yeah.
So to all these young Asian kids that are making a big deal out of this.
Wait, are they though? I don't think the Asian kids are upset. I think it's
No,
not
Asian kids are busy studying. Medicare school.
Martial arts.
And also prepare take over America. I didn't say that.
So all right, let's move into the world of politics for a second then,
right.
Dr. Wu Ping Kop. You mentioned the Asian takeover of the world. Is the plan in place yet?
Oh, yeah, plan. I cannot discuss a plan, but
Okay,
I was
naturally.
gonna say this. America gonna Hiroshima back. You know what I mean? Get ready, because your bank are gonna collapse. Your Dow Jones will collapse. You're gonna work on a Wall Street. Guess what happened to a Wall Street? It's gonna collapse. Dow Jones will collapse. NASDAQ will collapse. Our major hoardings will collapse.
Do you think that's a wise move based on the relationship between America and China economically? We do kind of need each other, don't you think?
Economically, we do produce minimal thing. You produce weapons, war machines. We produce reality dar that you can fornicate with. You have a many-hour inclusive sex vacation to a Thailand. Many great places where you could have a boy who look like a girl.
Have you ever done that yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's that like?
It's not gay if the man tuck the testicles, take the testicles and tuck them near the anal cavity. It's not gay.
Okay, that's good to know. Thank
That's
you.
just called a light of passage.
In all of Asia or just in
Many
China?
culture.
Many cultures?
Many culture.
Well, your people are graceful.
My people, why you get the laces? Talking like a goddamn angry nigger. Step back. Look at the man in the mirror. You know, that's where the change come from. Look at the man in the mirror. Like a Michael Jackson say.
Well, Doctor.
I starting with the man in the mirror. I asking him to change his ways. No message could have been any clearer. If you want to make the world a better place, look at yourself and make that
Change! Dr. Whooping Cough, we appreciate you calling in. We thank you for giving us some of your time on a Sunday.
One quick shout out. I have to blacklist Blendon Sagaro.
Oh, why is that? He's in studio with us.
What's your problem with me, doctor?
Oh, you're so lazy. Sometime I watch on a thing called YouTube. I see you go around, you go, Paris, Paris,
I don't think that was me, man.
I like to wreck a woman's rabia. You can't perform a oral sex on a lady that you don't know unless you're in a relationship.
I'm sorry. I won't do that again.
Accept your apology.
Well, Dr. Whooping Cough, you are very honorable, and we are gracious to have your input today.
Can I make some plugs, please?
What is that?
He wants to plug.
Plug, yeah, plug away.
My new book, Whooping Your Way to Happiness. On Amazon, Barnes & Noble. And also, I have a new digital download, available December. It's called Yarrow Like Me, and it's my one-man show about the better to be able to lape ladies while taking improvisation class.
You're very busy, Doctor.
Yes, she said no, and I say yes, and then I take what is mine.
Well, Doctor, thank you again for calling in. We appreciate it, and I'm sure we will talk to you soon, sir.
Oh, have a good day at the WA.
That was Dr. Whooping Cough, everybody.
Well,
and we
glad
thank
we
you.
got that straightened out.